The autobiography of Andrew Carnegie was written in 1960. So the most important point is leaders are readers. Uh, that's what Andrew Carnegie believed because he was not very well educated, but Carnegie appreciated the value of an open mind. Carnegie was a student of human nature and knew that effectively channeling a workforce energies was the mark of a true leader. He noted, I did not understand steam machinery, but I tried to understand that much more complicated machine. Man. Gain from reading and study represented real value. A good life was one that truly opened the mind. Money alone was. Carnegie also gave the belief that seeing new places gives people a greater appreciation of the whole.